All of the snow's melting up north, so it only comes up for about 2-3 weeks a year. So we quickly get out while it's here and enjoy the waves. Knowledge is best if you learn how to roll, and definitely come out with somebody.
The water temperature, what's that like?
Cold, very cold. I'm warm right now though with my gear on. It's just like as if I were skiing or any other sport. 2 years ago when we had the record snowfall, it was here for 5 weeks or 6 weeks, but unfortunately there wasn't that much snow this year. So a couple weeks, which is better than nothing.